Okay, welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel, and also welcome back to my Brazilian beats background music. This is continuing in the series of R is My Mistress. We're continuing to try to predict exports in U.S. dollars for the next 5 years using some data. So let's just open up our program here. Now the problem we keep running into is we got, I think like 4 million rows of data, export data, but the trouble is there's one row for each year, for each country, for each product, for each commodity. And then it has the total sales in US dollars, trade in US dollars, okay? The problem is there's only 29 years covered, okay? There's only 29 years, okay? Let's just open up some data up here. Let me know if the music is too loud or too soft, okay? So, let's come over here. Okay. And we're actually pulling the data from an SQLite database, okay? As you can see over here. By the way, I came up with a new database tool, visualization tool, and it's called vid04. And it actually supports multiple different types of databases, including DuckDB, including SQLite, including Postgres. Okay. And you can see over here we got this originally, so this is the raw data here. Okay, this is just commodity data. We're only interested in the year, okay, the trade in US dollars for exports, all right? Again, our objective is to keep this fairly short and sweet. All right, hopefully under 30 minutes. So anyway, let's come back over here now. So we imported the export data, okay, in the years and net. Now we're going to convert this to a date format. Now you can see the date is a date format. All right. So what we're going to do now, we're going to come down here. Let's just do a quick summary function. We're not going to spend a whole lot of time on EDA here. You can see the minimum trade is $1. The max is like some crazy number over here. Okay. Again, so the years go from 1988 to 2016, and the trouble, of course, is there isn't that much data. So now let's create a summary database. This is what I tried last night, and I actually got the model to work, but it probably took a good 30 minutes to run the model. Then I waited another 20 minutes to try to get it to plot the data, and it was just crazy. I just waited and waited and waited, and nothing happened. Okay, so let's try doing this. So if we do this, right? This only gives us 29 rows of data because it's 29 years. Let's just check this out. Yeah, 29 rows of data. Okay, so we got the mean, we got the row count. Interesting, okay. So let's just come over here to ChatGPT. Oh, very good. That was simple enough. The good old mutate command. No, that's not right. What am I doing here? Oh, good. So that's what we're looking for. Let's go with this one over here. Let's take a look at this one more time. Okay, good. So what happens here is that we still have to overwrite the existing data frame. There. Okay. So let's come down here now. All right. Again, we only work with 29 rows of data. So that's not really a lot to do a model on, but let's see what happens. And so we have one row now for each year. Index is a row number, we're doing it by total dollars. You know, this last step is one that takes all the time, by the way. It worked. It ran. Well, shoot, it did give us a model, it did give us a prediction, but can it actually... We may not have enough data to actually create a plot, okay? So the good news is the model did work, okay? What else can we try? We could possibly try ETS, which is another forecasting method. What's it called? Exponential smoothing or something like that. so. Okay, so let's try this. Let's convert. Let's convert date to category. Okay, so let's convert date to maybe convert yeah, so it's interpreting the date column as being a discrete, as being what's it say, continuous value supplied to a discrete scale. Let's see what happens now. Because we looked at the values, it appeared that they weren't actually changing. Okay. Okay, let's try this. Let's see. That's a matter of fact, let's just take the whole conflict thing here. We did get a forecast, and that's the thing that's kind of annoying. We're going to come up here, we're going to say, mutate again. Now here's the thing, we could of course just link these two things together, right? But that's okay. Factor df colon here. Let's just call this. Oh no, we can't. We can just add it on to the. What date? What happened to date also? Okay. Okay, so now we got this. All right, we should be able to just combine these two here, right? We'll leave it the way it is. And now what happens? I thought I said year. Ah. Huh. That's interesting that it actually converted it to a. Let's do this.
Já queimou, mané fogueteiro os estalos vai lançar e as bandeirolas pendurou. Eu quero ver o balancê quando a quadrilha começar. Eu quero ver a Marie, mas é só depois que o sol raiar. Eu quero ver o balancê quando a quadrilha começar. Só depois que o sol raiar.
And in the interest of let's just do two bar plots. Enter year. Now why that doesn't let's put a head and a tail. $761 to $950. Let's just try doing this as always. So it shows something there. I don't know how to automatically pick. It says there's 29 rows missing values. But is that really true? Let's do a summary of forecast. That's weird. That's interesting. That's weird. I don't know what that means. Never had that before I uploaded. before I updated my system on this.
Vou na terra da minha alma, onde no vento voa a águia, no Araguaia, no Araguaia. Ficamos na beira da água, o rio é como o nosso sangue.
And try forecast. See what happens.
Água, o rio é como o nosso sangue. Vou na terra da minha alma, onde no vento voa a águia. No Araguaia, no Araguaia.
So there's different types of forecasts. The three broad types in R. There's forecast. There's favor, which is a tidy version of forecast, and then there's tidy models. Okay.
Me olho no espelho, passo um batom vermelho e vou. Siga meu conselho, desligue seus aparelhos, que a nossa hora chegou.
You can see this is actually taking a fair amount of time to work. Okay.
Aproveite essa chance de me ter no seu alcance. Aqui estou.
Let's come back up here
Desde que eu te vi,
to the original import statement.
em você estar em suas mãos. Não quero te distrair, nem te esperar. Eu quero toda a sua atenção. Você contando os dias e eu cantando melodias. Que som, que som. Sempre soube que a saudade só aumenta a vontade de ter alguém. Mas aqui estou, me mostra a beleza de ter tanta certeza e saber o que quer. Aproveite essa chance e se entregue pro romance do jeito que quiser. Desde que eu te vi, só penso em poder tocar e
Okay. This is another cliffhanger. Okay, because I'm going to bring this session to a close. All right. And again, this